In this video, we will learn how to sign up for Vercel account using GitHub step by step. So let's get started. First of all, visit vercel.com and click on sign up button. Next, you will get two plan options. The first one says, I'm working on commercial projects. It's pro, while the second option says, I'm working on personal projects. If you choose the first one, it will give you 14-day trial with $20 in credit, which means later on, it will ask you to pay in order to continue. While the second option, which says I'm working on personal projects, is totally free and you will be not charged. Here, after choosing the second option, I will add the name, then click continue. On the next page, it will give you 5 options to sign up. We will choose with GitHub because it will make it easy to deploy a project, which we will learn in our next video. So click continue with GitHub. Here, keep in mind, you must have a GitHub account in order to continue with GitHub. Next, it will automatically authenticate and ask for authorization. So you need to click on continue. After authenticating, you will be landed on the following page. Here on the left sidebar, you will find different projects which are automatically imported via GitHub. So if you click on this icon on the right top, then click here on your account, you will be landed on the settings page where you will get multiple setting options. And if you click back, you will land on the dashboard where you will find bunch of important options, and here you can deploy your project as well. To deploy a project on GitHub, watch the following video available on our channel. You can find the link in the video description. One thing you need to keep in mind, there are limits on the free plan on Vercel, which are as follow. The usage limit says that if you are using the free version, you will get 100 GB fast data transfer, 10 GB fast origin transfer, a total of 1 million requests, which is edge request, and so on. These apply for the last 30 days. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.